again. Do it again. I'm recording.
He was right there when I left.
Yeah.
Izzy's just mad. She's mad at me.
Since when did I crazy?
Hey yo!
She's stuck.
What is your guys' favorite kind?
Stuck?
Let's touch
Stuck?
her. Let's touch her.
Go touch her, I dare you.
Okay, I'll go touch her. Hey, what's up?
She needs a hug. She needs a hug.
I touched her.
Open the door.
Did you die?
I died.
Do any of you guys like Granny?
Hi!
Oh, did you just see that? She no-clipped.
She no-clipped to the back rooms. She just no-clipped. Are we just gonna sit here and not find any rats?
Yeah. We're just gonna.
We need to go outside to poison them.
We need to troll her.
I see her wings. Should we run? Let's try and get
Yes, run, go.
Go get her.
Ew,
Don't give her a hug. Give her.
ew! Follow me, guys! It's safe.
Don't waste your stamina.
We can hide behind here. She won't get me.
Where'd Vin go? Oh, there's Vin.
We might
Oh,
die.
I saw her. I just saw her pass.
Ooh! This is so funny. Izzy, where are you?
I'm at the spawn.
Oh, just run to the left and then go into the room with the open door. Because that spawn's in there.
That sounds like a no. Wait, be right back for a second.
Whoa.
You're standing there.
Wait, be right back. Be right back.
You can see Neil's mouth.
Yeah. This is horrible. So did we just break the game?
I think we did.
Oh, she's running away.
Oh, okay, she ran away.
She got scared of us.
Got the Chromie statue.
She got scared that we were spying on her.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're her getting changed.
Do any of you guys like Chromie?
Yeah.
No. Well, yes.
Oh. I'm
Did you,
making my
did you just see that? She's. Wait, let me open this.
Open what? We can open them.
pompory.
There's nothing.
The rats could be in there.
There's nothing in that one though. What?
She's not coming. She can't open. She can't kill us legally because we're behind the dresser.
Yes. She can't watch us over here. Because that's illegal.
Rin!
Buy everything.
I hear Izzy buying everything.
Yeah, I'm buying. Look at this. Look at pomporin. Pom. Oh my goodness! I want to buy the Chromie and the pom.
What's it? What's it for like being a mirror?
What should I buy, to be honest?
Did you die as well?
Yeah. I think we deserve
Can we
that.
go
Tom
back?
is too expensive.
We deserve
She's
that.
fine.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry, I was. Oh,
Can we
sorry,
go
guys,
back? Let's go back to that
Let's
room.
go back. Is it safe? Okay.
I was talking about what to buy. What happened, guys? Did anything happen?
I'm back. Did you guys find any rats yet?
No.
Oh.
No, we're inside a place. place. We're totally finding things.
Waiting for
Finding
Rin.
the rats. We're finding the rats. Right, Vanilla? We're finding the rats.
Too funny.
What?
This is too funny. Imagine if Rin killed you.
I know. I'm just recording. I survived.
Same.
I'm alive. I'm still standing.
Ah, my leg. I got cramps. I got cramp in my leg.
You got leg cramps.
Is she still there? Tell me.
No, she's not there.
That was so funny.
What are you guys doing? You guys supposed to like listen. You guys are supposed to poison them. What are you guys doing?
Yeah,
Oh.
we are just.
I'm not. I'm watching your stream.
we are.
I'm watching your stream and you guys are not doing nothing.
No.
Oh, Izzy's not doing anything either. She's just buying Kuromi.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because I'm not in the game, of course.
Ooh, is she there? Is she there? Is she there?
Oh,
No, she's gone.
Okay.
OMG, look at this stuff. OMG. Look at this flower. This flower is so pretty. I need this flower. Oh, this. Okay, I'm buying everything. Not gonna lie, I'm buying everything. I'm buying everything as if I have it now.
Wait, should we go and chase Rin? Or should we let her chase us?
Yes.
Don't chase her.
Let's go chase. Come on, let's go bully her.
Let's go bully her. We're bullies. We're high school bullies.
Let's go!
I am.
Popularity.
I'm following.
If you see her, run.
What are you guys doing?
We're doing something.
Oh, this is where I
It's okay. We're getting rats. I swear.
see. This is where.
I swear we're getting rats.
Wait, should we go to the bell room and let Rin chase us?
Yeah.
But then we stop on the bell.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go to the dinner room.
Okay. The dinner. Dinner. Go.
You go first.
No. You go first.
No, you go first.
No. Gentleman first.
You're safe. Come.
Safe. Don't lie.
Mhm. Not lying. Oh, we're just back in. Oh, never mind. We went.
Dizzy.
Hi.
Wow.
I've been waiting for you guys.
Ooh.
Bell room.
She's
Go to the bell
okay,
room.
never mind.
Chase her.
Lunch room.
Let's chase her. No. Let's chase her.
Yeah, let's chase her. Oh. What's this?
Ooh, what's this? Is this another place we can troll in?
Whoa.
I think she
She
can
can
get
go.
up through the wall.
Maybe.
Help me, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm out.
I'm stuck.
Oh, come on. Oh, they look so yummy.
We're all inside here. Oh, I'm flying.
Okay.
Guys, look up.
Let's run. Run.
Okay, I'm out. Let's go. Open it.
Ew.
Where's the rat?
What is this?
Where's the rat? Can we hide under there? Can we hide behind here?
No. I'm gonna hide in here.
Oh, let's hide behind this. Hide behind
Let's set her on fire. Set her on fire.
Oh, look up there. It's a rat. No, it's a fish. No.
I died.
I survived. I'm alive. Hide over here.
I'm just running. Yeah! They killed me! Oh!
I'm dead.
That was. Did you see me running around the fireplace?
Yeah, I saw.
Should we do it again?
Yeah. Wait, don't go yet.
What?
Don't go yet.
Oh,
Yeah, that one is right there.
You slimy.
Yeah, that body was right there.
You slimy goat. I'll kill you. Slimy goat. Slimy goat. Follow me.
Let's go. Let's wait for her to come. Let's circle around the fire and then wait for her to come.
Don't die.
where we can hide if I can get in.
We can
No, we
hide
can't.
behind here. We can hide behind the
Yeah,
little.
I was hiding there and I survived, but I just sacrificed myself.
Come on, really? Just get you on fire. Let me start recording.
I wish there was an option where you could whistle so that you could like distract her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello. 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 Oh, she's getting close.
Ring around the road.
Oh, she ate me.
We're still alive.
Can you guys like stop messing around?
Oh, I died.
I'm dead.
Can you guys, like, stop messing around, guys.
I'm
No.
alive. I'm alive.
Hi.
Again.
Guys, I'm still alive here.
Let's go back.
Come on.
Come on, slimy, get it.
Come here. Come back.
Ah! She's waiting for. Go back.
Hi. I survived somehow. Ring around the rosy, forever the fuzzies. Oh, I run.
Oh my god, she's stuck.
She's stuck.
Yeah, she's stuck. She's not moving. Oh, she went away.
Get her.
Girlie, did you not see me?
Ring around the rosy, forever the roses.
Run away, y'all!
Me and Dizzy are still alive.
Again. I just love how he isn't saying anything.
Guys, should I make my cafe turn into a Chromie theme?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Izzy, where are you? I need help. Can you distract Rin so I can get to that dinner area?
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Red. Hello.
Can you guys
Just go. You better get over here right now.
stop messing around and actually do some work?
Where's Rin? Do you know where she is?
I don't
Oh,
know.
I hear her. She's coming
You
to
guys are
me.
still there? What the heck? You guys are still there? What are you
Red.
guys
Red.
Come on.
doing?
Here.
What are you doing?
She's chasing me!
Vanilla, come on. Hide. Hide.
Oh, chest.
Ring around the rosy,
I died.
I'm gonna run.
Again.
Guys, let's go the other way for once.
Don't go yet. She's right there.
Let's go the other way for once.
Yeah, because the other way leads to the well where there's poison. Ew!
Where do we go? Do we chase
Go.
her? We chase her.
Yeah?
Let's chase her. Oh no!
Oh!
Oh no! She's stuck. Hug her. Let's hug her. Come on, let's.
No.
Right here. I'll hug her.
Let's hug her.
Get her away. Oh, is she stuck? Can we walk past her?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, this is the bell room.
Why
Yeah,
is
just
getting
walk
gems
past
even
her.
more harder?
Walk past her.
Getting gems.
I made made it outside. I did it. I made it outside.
I died.
Izzy, I'm in the bell room. Can you help?
I'm outside.
Where is she?
You can't get out here. Ha 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 ha.
Where are you?
I'm in the garden.
I'm in the garden.
Run to the
Can
bell
you
room.
guys come to the garden, please?
Okay, let's go.
Should we run to the garden?
Yeah, let's go.
Yes, go to the garden. That's where I am.
Go.
Stand
Let's go to the garden.
Oh, it's safe.
Bye.
Over here, no, the other way. Oh my god. Over here, down. Come on.
Upstairs.
I made it.
It doesn't matter what you see.
I'm back at the start.
You bought the
Break.
In the garden.
Went the other way.
Oh, I hear.
It doesn't matter.
I got cat.
I'm back in that restaurant room.
Twin. Twin,
Doesn't
look.
matter.
Twin.
Guys, come back to that restaurant room. You know the one with the fish?
Poison it.
Guys, go to the room with the fish.
Poison it a rat.
He's coming for me.
Poisoned it.
I'm back at the start. I'm back at the start.
Let's go to the bell.
No! Can you help me? I'm back at the start. I'm lost.
Right, let's go.
It's real.
Go to the bell room.
Yeah. Go.
Ew, her slimy ears.
I poisoned it. I did it.
Where are
I
you?
did the bell.
Bing.
Ding, ding, ding. Eat the dinner.
Guys, I'm back in the scroll room. Wait, I need to AFK toilet.
It doesn't matter.
She ate
Oh,
it.
yay.
She ate it.
She ate what? What did
The
she
rat.
eat? Oh, did she got poison yet?
Yeah.
I'm outside.
Feed her again.
I'm outside.
Where are you, Vanilla?
Do you have to like feed her again?
Vanilla, where are you? Vanilla.
I'm
Vanilla.
scrolling.
Vanilla, where are you?
Oh, stop.
Oh, yeah.
Help me. Help me. Help me. He's gonna kill me.
I'm in the garden. I'm outside.
Save me.
How do I repay you? How do I repay you?
She keeps killing me. I can't go.
I keep getting some dumb dishes.
Don't leave me. Leave me alone, Ren.
Get another rat, then get another rat to poison
Leave me
him.
alone, Ren.
She won't leave you alone.
Bye. Bye.
Guys, where are you?
In the garden.
Can you come to the scroll room? I need help.
Which scroll?
What scroll room?
Is it the book?
The one we were in the other time.
The book?
Yeah, the one with the hay.
Okay, follow me, follow me.
You were here, huh?
I need more coins.
I'm hiding behind the shelves. The one where you were flying.
Oh,
I
okay.
need more gems. I need more gems, like 2,000 for the
Ah, not this
grow
one.
me
We're in the book.
thing.
Not that one, the other one.
Me no, we're just stuck in here.
Ew, she sounds slimy. What's she eating?
Come. Let's go. Let's go.
Did you poison all the rats?
No, we only poisoned one. I gave her one.
Why did you poison the rat? That's so mean.
Because she wanted it. She likes to poison rats. Okay, follow
Did you know Did you know that Mio turns into a giant black ball that tries to eat you?
Yeah.
Help me.
Twin, can you lead the way this time? I don't want to lead again.
I
Follow me. Follow me. Let's go.
Should I reset? Should I get killed by Rin? Oh, I just fell through the map.
Hurry, run. Fell?
Yeah, I fell through the floor.
I hear a rat.
I'm back at the
I
spawn.
got a rat.
I'm glitched.
Twin,
What?
I got a rat. I got a rat.
Where are you?
I'm in another
Go back to
room.
start. Go back to the spawn.
Okay, I'll try. Let's go.
Ew.
What? Twin.
get in here. It's safe.
No, this one is safe. Be careful.
Oh no, this one isn't safe.
Careful, she's still there.
I'll kill myself because this isn't safe. I will die.
I found a rat.
Me too, I have a rat. Let's
Where
go.
are you?
Meet up at the spawn. Meet up at the spawn. Go to,
I'm at the spawn.
everybody go to the spawn.
Get away from me,
I
Rin.
have the rat.
Oh, I'm at the garden.
You at the garden? Okay, stay there. Twin,
Die.
I'm running.
That scared me.
I'm in the good garden. Yes, let me poison it.
Uh-oh.
Poison. And then we have to run away from them.
We have to put them for dinner.
Let's go.
Wait, no, she's coming. Don't go.
Okay.
Well, let me troll her. Hi, bestie.
Don't do that.
Bestie. You want some
Okay,
rats?
let's go.
Should we go?
Let's
Go.
go to the bell. Lead the way.
No, she's slimy.
Wrong way here. Okay, I'm doing mine. I did mine. Run. Hide.
And then you can do yours when she leaves.
Ew. 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 Why did she eat the rat like that?
Go, place it.
Place it. Okay, come on.
No.
I died.
What is she doing?
I don't have the rat anymore.
No.
Okay, you didn't jump scare me until a long time. Did she eat
Yeah.
the rat? Wait, she didn't eat the rat.
No.
Yeah, I couldn't put it in. It wouldn't let me put it in.
We need
We have to go back. Where was the rat?
to lead the way.
It was down there. Follow me.
Okay. Lead the way. Come on.
I just sort of ran.
I'm not seeing
Ew, her big ass forehead. Look at it.
Run.
I'm dead.
I didn't hear her, twin. Twin,
Where?
back to the room you were just in.
Yeah.
Right here. Say hi, best day.
I just saw Eve. Just.
Really isn't scary. It isn't scary to me, but it's really hard.
I don't see my rat. Where are you guys? Wait, guys, you know in the loading screen where that tree was? I'm right in that room. I'm in that scroll room.
I'll go there. I know where it
You
is.
got the rat?
Can you empty it for me?
I see you. Is it this one? Is it this tree?
Oh, what happened, guys? I was safe
Hi.
too.
I see you. Hi. Hello.
Oh, should we go? Should we go?
Careful. Did she kill you? Did she kill you? Okay.
No, she's struggling.
Look.
She's struggling. We got her
I
stuck.
won the
I
Draco.
think we got her stuck.
Legendary item squad. Woo! I like the blackness.
Can we leave her?
Nah, don't leave her, don't leave her.
I'll call her. Yeah.
Let's run. She won't kill us.
Let's run. Do we run?
Yeah, run.
On three.
Oh, never mind. Oh, that scared me. Wait, what? Where did I spawn?
We what?
Oh, never mind. My controls were just inverted.
I am still here.
Where's the man?
We're at spawn.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
Do you have the last rat?
No.
I lost
Why
it.
you guys still there? You guys haven't like,
No, we
you
have
guys
two
haven't poisoned. You guys haven't poisoned her yet. Come on.
Okay, I'm back.
Let's go.
This
Should we
is
go back to the garden?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the garden. Let's go this
Bestie?
Wrong way, wrong way.
Clear. Clear.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Run. No. Garden,
Ew.
garden. Get in the garden. No, she's
I'm
in
right
the
behind her.
Get in the garden. Run.
Oh, Gloomy drop line? Yes, I'll buy that. I'll buy another one, and then that one. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll buy the gadgets.
Where's the rat? We can't find the rat. We can't find the last rat.
I'm back in that scroll room again.
Again?
Yeah, the one that I was in earlier, not the one where you found me in.
The one with the book?
The one, no. Yes. Not the one with the tree, just the one room itself.
The
Who
book?
needs to rest?
Yeah.
It has the book?
Hello, Gloomy. Do you need to
Okay, I'll
rest?
try to find you. But I think Rin is near me. Yeah, Rin is near me.
I'm gonna try and run to the garden.
I'm at spawn. She's glitched. Oh, hi.
Run to the garden.
Run. But I saw her pass this way, so careful. Come on. Are you in? Are you in the garden?
Oh, he ran the other way.
He
No,
ran-
help.
he ran- Come on.
Yeah.
Really? Stay mad. Just go find the rat.
Where's the rat?
Try my best. Because I'm still there. Oh my
Where's
goodness.
the last rat? We can't find it.
You guys didn't get the red.
Wait, let's go forward. Let's see what's forward. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Lizzie,
Come on, let's go forward.
Lizzie, let's go.
Come on, Izzy.
Does anybody want a sandwich? I'm making Nutella. Sorry.
Put the rat in. Do we have that?
No, I don't have the rat anymore.
Go away.
Go away. Go away.
Go away. Go away. Go away.
Go away.
Go away, Rin. Go away, Rin.
If you just close your eyes, she can't get you. Turn around, she can't get you if you do that.
Hey, Graham, I'm gonna go to poop.
Ew.
Don't tell her that. Oh, there's clouds.
Stand up.
Stand up. Stand down. Stand up, stand down.
What? She can't get me. come to where I am. She's gonna get me.
Hug her.
No. It's ugly.
I wish you got pushed in this game.
I don't think he's working.
That's
Do you need to respawn?
Forgot his
Do you need to
girlfriend.
respawn?
Sacrifice, 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 sacrifice.
Save her if you can go to bed early tonight at like 9:30
Go near her.
because there is a
No.
What? Okay.
But if we could just try to do it at 9:30, we should try to go bed early.
That's not that room where we trolled Ren. Is she?
Like today? Like today?
Yeah.
No.
That was scary.
No.
To go back and forth and everything.
Oh, she's back.
Live, and after live is doing
You
something.
can see
different.
Mio.
So, like, I don't wanna.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
What?
After the live, can you like put us to bed? Like we'll watch like a show while the live is going on.
Ew.
Like watch a show while you're doing your live, and
I don't want. Like I want to see it.
then like when everything's done, you can like put us to bed. Okay.
I don't want to have to.
She's moving. Go.
Go.
She's moving. She's gone.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, do you want some toast?
Run, run, she's behind us, run.
I'll make you something in a little bit, okay?
He's chasing me.
I don't like that you're not eating, but. Yes, the blood is.
I found the rat.
You found it? Where's it? Where's it?
I think he does that. Alright, so it's just Nutella, is that okay?
It was in the same room. I just need help.
Where are you?
I'm in another scroll room.
What? Okay,
Apple.
It's different this time. It's different.
Apple.
let me try to find you. Oh, I see you, I see you.
Apple.
Hold on a second.
Hey!
I got a rat. It's in the corner.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Should we go? Where's the garden? Go to the garden.
No, 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 hide. No, hide! Okay, it's safe, I think it's safe. Let's go.
Should we go to the garden?
Yeah,
Which way?
run for it. Follow me,
No.
follow me. Follow me!
Izzy, we got the last rat.
Oh,
Wow!
Are you safe?
He killed me. Go get the rat. It's straight forward, then left.
No, I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna get you some medicine, bud. And then once you have the medicine, you should want to eat after it's where you go. Yeah.
Oh my god, not again.
Okay, I got it.
Is what? Yeah.
Run back.
Yeah.
Hello guys, I'm back.
I'm running to the garden. I'm at the garden. I'm at the garden. I have the rat. And I'm in the garden. Yes. I did it. Someone lead me to the bell. Lead me to the bell.
I need to regenerate first. My health.
Okay, lead me to the
That
bell.
was my. Wait for Rin. Wait for Rin to go.
Okay.
You poisoned it.
my
I
favorite.
poisoned it.
Is it poisoned?
He's eating your ear. He's eating your ear.
Guys, should I buy the first one? I sent it on general chat.
Ew, get away.
I'm the first one of what?
Guys, should I buy it? I sent it on general chat.
Okay. Oh, she respawned. Go to the bell.
So what do you want to buy?
Bell.
Should I buy the first one? I sent it on general.
Vanilla! Ah,
The-
Vanilla, save me! She's right there. In the bell room. Someone lead me to the bell room.
I sent it
Yeah,
on
the
the
first one
general
looks
chat.
really cute. I like it.
Okay, should I buy the first one?
No,
Yeah.
No. Save for the. Save
Help!
Save for the third one. You should get the third one.
You help. I'm stuck.
The third one?
The third one. You should save for it.
What? Rin's flying! She's flying into the door. She's flying into the door. Help.
Where is she?
Wait, Rin can fly?
Apparently.
Yeah.
I'm back at the start.
Someone lead me to the ballroom. I'm scared.
Oh, I'm in the scroll room again. The one with the Shinigami.
Lead me to the ballroom, please. I'm scared.
Oh, I'm in the dinner room.
I'm at the spawn.
Oh, I see you, Izzy. Come,
Yeah, hello.
come, follow me. Let's go.
Save me. I'm in the garden. Save me.
Oh, we found the bell room.
Save me. I'm in the garden.
Izzy, go.
Ah!
Save me.
Scared me. She was right behind me. Jesus. Oh my god, she was right behind me.
I have the rat.
She's camping the spawn.
It's in the left corner.
Safe? Is
Wait.
it safe?
No, it's not safe.
Okay.
She's
No,
there.
it's not safe. Not safe at all.
It's eating you. It's eating
She's
you.
over there. She's over there.
Go.
Go. Right, then left. Boys on her.
I did it.
Oh, we have to run away from her though, because she's
Yeah.
gonna turn into a massive monster.
Oh yeah, yeah. You have to escape
And I'm
now.
eating right now.
No, wait, help, come here. Wait for it to come here.
No.
I'm eating lunch right now and I have to run while I'm eating.
Come anymore.
We need to go to this room.
Yeah. Countdown.
Izzy, come to this brown door thingy.
What brown door?
Just run.
You don't want to.
Rin's not here anymore.
You're gonna eat something in a little bit, okay?
It'll teleport me. I'm fine. It'll teleport me.
Okay.
Apple.
So we're gonna have to run from a massive blob.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to run from a massive blob.
A black blob. Disgusting. It looks like symbiote. Ew, look at this. She's gonna get mad.
Ah.
Ah.
You're
Rodents.
Stay mad.
Yeah, we did try to trick you with rodents.
Ew.
Mio. I don't care if we upset Mio.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Okay?
We're back.
Why is there no chromie
We
balloon?
need to run.
Now you gotta try to sleep. You're gonna make it 15.
Is she behind me? I don't know.
He's behind you.
Well, the fact that we can't jump makes
Really?
it more worse.
Stop.
I'm alive. I made it.
I'm dead.
Oh my god!
I
I
did it.
died.
Oh, never
Oh,
mind.
I survived. Okay, that's good.
Ew.
Hey, look, I'm the main character, guys. They're all staring at me.
Oh my god.
Wait, guys. You.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm gonna take a screenshot of it.
They're all looking at you. They're all looking
Wait, can I
at
send something real quick? Hey, let me send something real quick.
Wait for me.
Wait, I'm gonna send
I
something.
think you guys are the main chapter.
It's sniffing. It's sniffing you, Vanilla.
Wait, look, I'm gonna send something.
It's sniffing.
Wait for me.
It's sniffing Vanilla. It's sniffing Vanilla.
Look what I sent. Look what I sent.
It's sniffing
it's fine.
Vanilla.
Guys, I think they're looking at you because you guys are the main character.
Yeah, we're the main character.
You guys ditched me.
We're right here.
Look at what I sent. If you look at what I sent.
Not
Oh my god, hey, what's up, Estee?
Oh, it's looking up.
Oh, I hate the Medusa one. You know when she looks at you and then you just...
Yeah, they turned to stone.
Yeah, who's it?
Can you fall off these stairs and die?
Yes, you're not gonna respawn if you fall off the stairs.
Wait, what? No, you are. Yes, you are. What?
Don't fall down the stairs anyways. Keep the Medusa one.
You can't sprint.
Hide in the grass.
We have to crouch and hide in the grass. Where is it? Ew! She's
What was a rat?
Eat grass.
Ew, she's looking at me.
He's looking at me too.
Ew.
Ew.
Oh, I died. She found me. Apparently, she found me.
Oh, I just saw you turn into...
Manila, let's go.
Wait for me, I'm scared. Come back to me. She sees me. She sees me. She's looking at me.
I am not here. I'm not here, please. I'm totally not on the stairs right now. Hi.
Ew.
I'm in the grass.
1 million coins. I earned 1 million coins in this Hello Kitty.
Go back into the ground.
Right behind us.
I nearly turned into stone.
Hi.
Oh, she's looking at me. She's looking at me.
Are you dead?
No. Should we
Oh, I
run
got turned into stone.
again?
Oh, I saw her. Let's go.
Should we run?
I died.
You should go back into the grass.
Go in the grass. Go in the grass. Get in here.
Wait, I'm hiding first.
In the grass.
How are you crouching?
Control.
She sees me. Ew!
Ew, I see her. She's looking right at me.
Go back into the ground, you snake. Ew, she put her hair on me.
She's gone.
Do it for the purple witch.
She's gone.
Who apparently cannot make it and gets turned to stone every time.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Vanilla, why are
Me?
you stuck? I'm lost inside the grass. What's you? Hi.
Hi. We go.
Not yet, not yet.
Ew, she's dangling her hair on us.
Okay, go, go, go,
No.
go. Run! I'm running on the bridge.
Please, I'm not sure the
I
one.
made it!
Oh, I got turned to stone.
I made it, guys.
I got turned to stone.
I did it!
I got turned to stone. I'm sad.
I did it.
Yay!
I turned into ash. I'm gonna get teleported.
Okay, I'm gonna end your live now.